Hello everyone, this is my review of the Tepravo folding hand truck dolly. I picked this up because I needed something versatile for moving heavier items around the house, garage, and warehouse, and this Tepravo folding hand truck has been much more useful than a basic dolly. One of the biggest features I like is the 2-in-1 convertible design. You can use it upright like a traditional hand truck or convert it into a flat platform cart when you need to move larger boxes, equipment, groceries, or other bulky items. With a listed capacity of up to 330 pounds, it gives you plenty of flexibility for everyday moving jobs. The adjustable handle is another nice feature. It has multiple height positions, so you can set it where it feels comfortable instead of bending over while pushing or pulling a load. The 360-degree swivel handle and wheels also make it much easier to maneuver around corners and through tighter spaces. I also like how compact it gets when you're finished. The entire cart folds down for storage, so it doesn't take up much room in the trunk, garage, closet, or workshop. The included tool bag is a nice bonus too, giving you a convenient place to keep smaller tools and accessories while you're working. Overall, this is a really practical cart if you regularly move boxers, supplies, groceries, tools, or heavier equipment. If you want one folding dolly that can handle several different jobs while still being easy to store, this Tepravo 2-in-1 hand truck is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.